Hey guys, what's going on? Rob Rena here, and today we're going to be doing a quick review and install of the Ford Escape door sill or scuff plates sold on Amazon by the company Wygacey. This was just something fun that I did with our Escape, but West Coast Coco on Instagram asked me to do a review video on it, so here it is. Just a quick note on unboxing. We had already opened the box to install and test out our main door sill as shown in the intro. Alright, so you're looking at the box that the product arrived in. It comes with a roll of extra 3M tape. It's a little crushed to fit in here, but that was not an issue with the sill plate that we already installed in the passenger footwell. You have your second sill plate for the driver's side front door. The front door is the larger one. And then you have two sill plates for the two back doors. That being said, there's really not a whole lot to this. It's just a stainless sheet with some 3M tape behind it. With the extra tape on the other side, I actually ran one down the middle just in case you stepped on it and I didn't want it to flex. But it looks really nice, and for 30 bucks this is kind of a tasteful aesthetic upgrade for your Escape. There's really no tools required unless you're going to add extra 3M tape, and then you just need something to cut it with. So I have a set of snips right here, or you could just use scissors. If you choose to put on this extra piece of 3M tape, make sure you put it on a little straighter than I did here. It was a little tough reaching around the camera. Peel off the backings of the 3M tape and you should be ready to go. It's up to you if you want to peel off the gray vinyl before or after you install it. Just before install, let's talk about how to align it well. Alright, so here's my driver's side door sill, and we're going to be applying the plate right here. You want to make sure this is clear of any debris, that it's dry and just clean. So the markers that I used in terms of placement for this was there's a line of trim right here, and I want that to be right along this edge here, and then make sure that the straight edge on the bottom follows the edge of the sill. So first I'm going to line up this side right here, put that down, and then I'm going to do my best to make sure that this is parallel, that this bottom edge is parallel with the sill. And you want to make sure that you're sticking it to the flat face of the sill. You don't want to put adhesive on the radii as it rolls down or as it rolls up. Alright, so here's the finished product of it in place. Looks nice and parallel with the sill. It's not stuck on or over any radii of the body. Looks nice and clean. Let's do the back seats. Now let's remove the rear door sill plates from their packaging. As you can see, a little bit of gray vinyl had peeled up in the corner, but it's no issue. Everything was protected inside the packaging. Add your adhesive strips, just like we did with the front. Then we're going to remove the red backing of the adhesive, just like the front. And we found a label on this bag that said to remove the gray vinyl beforehand. So we're going to try that. Here we are on the back left door sill and the back bench. As you can see, there's a much shorter flat section. That's why these rear sills are much shorter than the front sill plates. So I'm going to use this trim line right here as the starting point and try and line up this trim line with this transition from curve to straight. And then again, keep this flat edge parallel with the jamb here and make sure it's on the flat face and not any of the radii going up or the radii going over here. Looks pretty good. Now, let's repeat the process with the other side. Alright, so we're going to do a quick demo on cleaning. This is not anything super serious, but I took my fingers and rubbed it on the brake rotor to get some caliper dust and grime and stuff on here, and pressed all over the sill plate. Just take a microfiber cloth, wipe it down. It's like I never touched it. Something else that's kind of interesting to note here is that if you were to stomp your foot here, you're going to bridge over top of the sill plate and you're not actually going to touch it. It's really surprisingly protected, being between this high point and this low point. And of course, little ones may see something shiny and decide to step right on top of it. Good thing it cleans well. If you thought this was a helpful video in terms of what you're getting out of the box and cleanup and stuff like that, give it a like. West Coast Coco, thanks for asking me to do this review. If anyone out there is interested in this kit, it's, again, a little over $30. It's on Amazon. There's a link in the description, as well as a link to our storefront. And as always, please share this with anyone who you think might be interested, and subscribe to our channel. Give us a shout what you think about this in the comments, and we'll talk to you then. Thanks for watching How to Escape.